Do it.
It makes funny noises. I can play my stomach better with a water bottle.
I'm trying to move my belly. Oh, okay, hold on. Take it.
Right down. Oh my god. God, get it off.
Zoom. What is
Look
that?
at those cheeks. That's so racist. Chickies.
So
So racist.
Chicasians?
Chickasians. Zoom.
Zoom. I see why Helen liked it so much. It's fun.
Look at SMR Monkey.
That's
He
for
plays
Monkey.
music
Plays music.
from his ears.
Normally, you hear music through your ears, not play music.
That's why he's such an amazing monkey.
Hello.
Look at my candle. It's really hot right now.
Oh, baby.
Zoom, zoom. Flame. Don't explode your camera.
Don't explode your camera. Sounds like you're hacking up a hairball, Kenzie.
It's the vis-a-vis that writes all the magic on the wall.
All the magic on the wall.
Magic.
Beautiful. Let's see what some of his says. Oh, let's see. I think that was the one that says, I can't help it. I had apple juice and I'm on my period. I wonder who said that. Oh, I think I know. Anyways. And there's my personal favorite. Dude, I touched your dad's underwear for you. And that was by me. I think Kenzie liked that a lot. She seems to think
Poo later upside down.
Oh no.
Oh, falling off the bed.
Oh, Kenzie.